Hello, how to solve for x in this equation 4 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1. Solution. Now here, take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. This can be written as 4 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. Then we have 4 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 is 10. Let's divide all through by 10 to the power of x. We have 4 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x multiplied by 10 divided by 10 to the power of x. This will cancel this. And take note of this, that if you have a to the power of n over b to the power of n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n. So this can be written as 4 divided by 10 to the power of x plus 25 divided by 10 to the power of x is equal to 10. Then this can be written as 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 10 is 5 multiplied by 2 all to the power of x plus here is 5 multiplied by 5 divided by this is 2 multiplied by 5 all to the power of s is equal to 10. These 2 will cancel this. This 5 will cancel this 5. Then we have 2 divided by 5 to the power of x plus 5 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 10. Now here we have 2 divided by 5 to the power of x. This is 5 divided by 2 to the power of x. In order to make this 2 divided by 5, we take the reciprocal. Then the equation becomes 2 divided by 5 to the power of x plus 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus x is equal to 10. Now this is 2 divided by 5 to the power of x. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of minus 1, this is equal to 1 over a. So this can be written as plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to 10. Then from here, let 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to y. This equation becomes y plus 1 divided by y is equal to 10. Now let's multiply all through by y. If you multiply all through by y, we have y multiplied by y plus 1 divided by y multiplied by y is equal to 10 multiplied by y. From here, this will cancel this. We have y times y, that is y squared plus 1 is equal to 10 multiplied by y, that is 10y. Then here we have y squared plus 1 minus 10y equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. We have y squared minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 1. Let's substitute. We have y is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 10. This is 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 4, divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 4, that is 96, divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 96 can be written as 16 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4 root 6 divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2 root 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Y is equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, y1 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, and y2 is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. These are the values of y. But 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to y. Then from here, 2 divided by 5 to the power of s is equal to y1, that is 5 plus 2 square root of 6, or 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 minus 2 square root of 6. Now let's consider this. From the first one here, let's take the log of both sides. We have natural log of 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to natural log of 5 plus 2 root 6. Then we have x ln of 2 divided by 5 is equal to ln of 5 plus 2 root 6. Now let's divide both sides by ln of 2 divided by 5. This divided by ln of 2 divided by 5. This will cancel this. X is equal to ln of 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 divided by 5. Now take note of this, that if you have ln of a divided by b, this is equal to ln of a minus ln of b. Then this can be written as s is equal to ln of 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 5. And this is the first value of x. Let's call this x1. Also for s2, to solve s2, we have 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 minus 2 square root of 6. Now let's take the natural log of both sides. We have ln of 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to ln of 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we have x ln of 2 divided by 5 is equal to ln of 5 minus 2 root 6. Then we can divide both sides by ln of 2 divided by 5. We have x ln of 2 divided by 5 divided by ln of 2 divided by 5 is equal to ln of 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 divided by 5. This will cancel this. X is equal to ln of 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 5. And this is also the second value of x. I hope you, therefore, our final answers are s1 is equal to ln of 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 5, and s2 is equal to ln of 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.